Hey, do you guys have a tub that's always leaking? No matter if you turn on the shower and try to pull the stopper up, it's still leaking? I'm going to show you guys how to fix it in 5 minutes or less. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. If it's your first time here, welcome. And to all my longtime subscribers, welcome back. Today I'm working on my tub in my bathroom, and it's a common problem that a lot of people have where you turn on the shower and you pull up on the diverter and the water still flows from the spout and it doesn't cut the flow off completely. This is an easy fix, and I'm going to show you guys how simple it is to do it in 5 minutes. Now, as usual, I leave timestamps if you want to jump ahead, and I'll leave a link in the description for all the tools that I'm using. But just for a heads up, you're probably only going to need a simple screwdriver or a little needle nose pliers, and you can get this job done in under 5 minutes. One of the things you're going to need first is a tub diverter repair kit, and you can usually pick these up at your local hardware store. I'll leave a link in the description. You can get them on Amazon, wherever you like. They do vary and there are different styles, but for the most part, you'll be able to figure out which one you have. As I go through the video, you'll be able to see either you can remove the old one and then order a new one, or you can kind of take a peek at what the old one looks like, and from there you can go ahead and order one or maybe two different ones from Amazon or Home Depot. And once you have them, you can go ahead and do the repair, and whichever ones you don't need, you can go ahead and return. That will save you from having to, take things apart and then have to run to the store and then come back or wait for it to be shipped to you. So I suggest you kind of do a little bit of research first, figure out which one you need, and then you can start the process. Yeah, and then it will go super quick. It will save you time. Now let's jump into it. I'll show you exactly how to do it and how simple this is. First thing you want to do is you want to look up under your tub spout here, and you'll see a little device here. This is called the gate. And basically what you do is you pull up on the lift rod and it pulls the gate. Behind the gate there's a seal that seals the water off from coming out of your tub spout. You want to look and see which style gate you have, and you can run to your local hardware store or Amazon or wherever and then purchase the replacement part. Or you can just go ahead and remove it first, then you'll know which one you have. Then you can go to the store and get it. Whichever way you want to do it is up to you, but just make sure you have the part before you're ready to start this process. And let me go for the parts again. You can see here the kit will come with a new lift rod like this, a new seal gasket like this one, and a new replacement gate to match the one that you have in your tub spout. So once you have all these pieces, you're ready to begin. What you want to do is, you can see here on the gate there are two little tabs, and they are wrapped around the notch that's on the lift rod. What you're trying to do is separate these two and pull up on your lift rod. If you have an old gate and it's all decrepit, you can pretty much bend these off and break it and then pull out your lift rod. But if you don't want to break it, all you need to do is squeeze down on them, separate them a little bit, and pull up on your lift rod at the same time. And just like that, you have your gate removed along with your old lift rod. All right, we can take these out and bring our new pieces back in. All right, once you have your new piece, what you want to do is you want to take the rubber gasket, and there's going to be an open side like this and a side that's flat like this. What you want to do is you want to put it with the flat side facing the back side of your pipe here. So you can see it here, the flat side is facing back that way. Next, you want to slide your gate up behind the metal tabs here with the notch at the bottom. Slide it in, and at the same time you want to go ahead and push your lift rod down. Squeeze down on your lift rod and push up at the same time on the gate, and it should just snap into place. Just like that. And now you've successfully completed the install of the diverter repair kit. All right, now let's go and see if this thing works. So now you saw how easy that was. Literally, it can take you 5 minutes. You just take the old one out, clean up a little bit, and you can put the new one back in. And now your tub will be working a lot better, if not perfect. So now listen. So like I said earlier, you can always remove the piece. You can always disassemble the pieces first, take them to your local hardware store and try and match them up. Or you can go ahead, take a sneak peek at what it looks like, order it online, and then have your kit ready whenever you're ready to do the actual installation. So now for the moment of truth. Let's see how this works out. So now we can turn on our shower, and you can see the flow is coming out heavy. We pull up on our diverter. Much better. It's working 1,000 times better, and it only took me 5 minutes to fix. Alright, another simple video for you guys. And if you guys find this helpful, don't forget to smash that like button. And if you feel inclined, go ahead and subscribe so you can stay in the loop whenever I put out more DIY content. As usual, I always appreciate it, and I look forward to doing another video for you guys in the near future. Stay tuned to the channel and check out what's coming up. Until next time, I'll see you guys in the next video.